In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat in Zoom. Whether you're in the middle of a meeting or using Zoom's team chat feature outside a meeting, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's dive right in. When you're participating in a Zoom meeting and you need to communicate via chat, start by locating the chat icon in the Meeting Controls toolbar on your desktop. Once you click on that icon, a chat panel will appear on the side of your screen. At the bottom of this panel, you'll find the Compose box, where you can type your message. If your message is meant for a specific person in the meeting rather than everyone, click on the To drop-down and select the participant you intend to communicate with. After crafting your message, just hit Enter or click the Send icon to send it. Even while screen sharing, you can access the chat function. Simply click on Chat. If the option isn't directly visible, you might find it under More. This will open the chat window as a floating box, allowing you to keep the conversation going without interrupting your screencast. It's important to be aware of the chat settings established by the meeting host or admin. These settings determine whether you can send messages to everyone, just the host or co-host, or specific participants. The chat feature can also be entirely disabled, restricted to only certain participants, or private chats might be blocked. So if you're unable to see the chat icon or can't select a recipient, it might be due to these restrictions. Now, moving on to Zoom's Team Chat feature, especially useful when you're not engaged in an actual meeting, but still want to chat with your contacts, groups, or channels. For starting a new chat on the desktop app, click on the Team Chat tab. From there, hit the New Chat icon, and you can enter the names or emails of the contacts you wish to communicate with. Simply type your message and press Enter or the Send button. For those using Zoom on a mobile device, the process is quite similar. Once you're signed in, tap on the Team Chat tab, then the New Chat icon. Then, choose your contact or contacts, compose your message, and hit Send. There's a lot more you can do within Zoom's Team Chat. You can send files, screenshots, and even voice or video messages directly within the chat. To facilitate group communication, you can join existing channels or create new ones, which function like group chat rooms. Furthermore, the search feature allows you to look up past messages, contacts, and channels effortlessly, ensuring you can always find the information you need. With these steps, you're now well equipped to navigate Zoom's chat functions, whether in the middle of a meeting or using Team Chat for broader communication needs. Happy chatting!